You guys, isaw ay dyan guys. Woo! Isaw is isaw. Sarap guys. Tikman na natin yung isaw guys. Oh, may nauna na. Bakit maliit yung kamay ng nauna niyan? Sino ba yan? Pakita natin. Paano kainin yung isaw? Ay, ganun pala.
Mama, hatu.
Nani, paborito yung tantan.
Oh, tantan oh. Isaw oh. Oh, pakita nyo sa video paano kumain ng isaw.
You're eating worm.
Eating worm daw, eating worm. Daddy eating worm.
Yum. Never eat.
Sarap siya guys.
Eat.
Lasang isaw. Yummy.
No, look, it's worm.